It is, I think, December 29th, and it is really snowing outside. And I just came across the coolest lights like I've ever seen. I'm in South Windsor, and I'm near the mall. And Elizabeth and I were doing some post-Christmas shopping. Here's one of my favorite parts right here. The moving seesaw. It actually moves. And going on, we have wreaths and lights galore. This is so cool. There's a little bulldozer thingy, or crane, whatever. Angels and snowflakes. And it goes on forever. Flamingos and palm trees, cactuses. Some things that are so snowy they're covered, and you can't even see what they are. It's like pretty cool. Wow. And Santa's up on the top there. And there's cars. Oh my goodness. Now, that carousel really needs to move, or Ferris wheel, but it's not. The mailbox opens and closes. That's kind of cool. Seriously, how do these people have any time? Santa's camping tent, which is now covered in snow, if that's even what that is. And then they have a water scene over here, which is also really cool. SpongeBob. Snowy river that I hopefully don't drop my phone into. Oh, there's a little hot air balloon with Santa in it. How many Santas are there exactly? And there's my car.